Hi, guys. Thanks for coming back. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day today. Today, you and I are going to read another book together. It's a springtime book. It's a book about a baby duckling again. But in this story, instead of subtracting or making our little set of animals smaller, in this story, we're going to add. Adding means putting more in and making a set bigger. The book we're going to use for that has the same story character that was in the last video, Little Quack. Do you remember Little Quack? This story about him is called Little Quack's New Friend. And if I look at the front cover, can you tell what kind of springtime friend he has made? Is it a frog? I think it's a frog. Let's read this book together and let's learn about Little Quack's new friend. And we're going to talk about adding or making things bigger. Let's see what happens with Little Quack. Remember last time Little Quack was scared to jump in that pond. Let's see what happens today. Well, look, there's the whole duck family, just like last time. It says Mama Duck is there with her 5 baby ducklings. Whittle, Waddle, Piddle, Puddle, and Little Quack. Do you see them all there? Looks like they're having fun in the pond. One day, out jumped a teeny little green frog. Do you see him right there? And look at the ducklings looking at him. Ribbit, Ribbit, I'm Little Ribbit. Can I play? He said. His name is Little Ribbit. Isn't he cute? In springtime, you might see a lot of frogs if you're around a pond too. No way, said Whittle. You're too tiny. You're too green, said Waddle. You can't quack, said Piddle. And you're a frog, said Puddle. That's okay, said Little Quack. I want to play. Wow, there's a lot happening on this page. If a friend asked you to play, what would you say? Well, Little Quack's brothers and sisters, they were kind of rude to Little Ribbit. But Little Quack said that he would play. You see Little Quack right there? Oh my. So quack, quack, ribbit, ribbit, the 2 little friends went off to play. Look, there's the brothers and sisters. And they all look astonished, like, what? But there goes Little Quack with Little Ribbit, and they're playing. What a nice friend Little Quack is being. Over by the reeds, Little Ribbit said, let's splash. I love to splash, said Little Quack. Splishy splash, splishy splash. Now what's happening here? Do you see the brothers and sisters watching the 2 friends? Do you think they're going to want to play? Can I splash with you? Said Whittle. Interesting. Now, right now, how many friends are playing in the water? How many? 1, 2. I see Little Ribbit and I see Little Quack. 2 friends. But now, Whittle wants to come. So we have to add Whittle. If we have 2 and we add one more friend, how many would that be? Let's see. Sure, said Little Ribbit. Splishy splash, splishy splash. 3 wet friends. We had 2, but we added 1. Now there's 1, 2, 3. 3 friends splashing in the water. Then they went to the mud. Let's squish, said Little Ribbit. We love to squish. Squishy, squashy, squishy, squashy. Oh, can I squish with you? Said Waddle. Waddle wants to play too. Do you see the fun they're having there in the mud? So we've got 3 friends already in the mud. If we add one more, this little duckling, how many would we have? 3 plus one more. How many is that? Did you say 4? If you said 4, I think you're right. Let's see. Yes, said Little Ribbit. Squishy, squashy, squishy, squashy. 4 muddy friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Add one more, and you have 4. The set's getting bigger. Oops. Up on the log, Little Ribbit said, "Let's bounce." "We love to bounce," said the ducklings. Boing, boing, boing. Look at them there. There's 2 on this side, and there's Little Ribbit and Little Quack on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 friends. I think I said ducklings, but what's a frog, right? So let's say 4 friends. "Oh, can I bounce with you?" said Piddle. Uh-oh. Now Piddle wants to join the group. We've got 4 friends. If we add one more, ding, how many friends would we have? Did you say 5? Let's see if you're right. "Sure," said Little Ribbit. Boing, 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 boing. 5 hoppy friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 friends. So our little set is started small with 2. Then it went to 3. And then it went to 4. And now there's 5. 5 friends. "Let's dunk," said Little Ribbit. That means go under the water. "We love to dunk," said Whittle, Waddle, Piddle, and Little Quack. "Plunka, plunka, plunka, plunk." "Oh, can I dunk with you?" said Puddle. So Puddle wants to join the group. There's 5 friends here. You can't see them all. I just see their little duck heinies. Do you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we have 5 friends and we add one more, how many would we have all together? Let's see. "Come on over," said Little Ribbit. So they added one more friend. Now there's 6 friends in the pond. Do you see them? There they are. We had 5 friends and we added. So we made our set bigger. And now there are 6. "You know what?" Whittle said to Little Ribbit. "It's okay if you're tiny." "And it's okay if you're green," said Waddle. "And it's okay if you can't quack," said Piddle. "And it's okay if you're a frog," said Puddle. "We all like to play." Oh, and look at Little Ribbit's face. Does he feel loved and accepted now? Yes. You can be friends with everybody, right, guys? You don't have to look exactly the same. As long as you're nice to each other and take care of each other, you're friends. Oh, I love that. Look, they're all happy. All 6 friends. Splishy, splashy, squashy, squishy, poingo, boingo, plunka, spunka. They played. Look at them. Having lots of springtime fun at the pond. Oh, nice, nice story. And at the end, there's Mama Duck. She's back. It says, "Hooray for Little Ribbit, our ribbity new friend." 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little friends. Did you like that story, friends? It's Little Quack's new friend. And in this story, we were adding or making our little set of friends bigger and bigger and bigger. It started off with Little Ribbit and Little Quack. Do you remember that? There were 2. Just like I have 2 little towers here, or 2 little blocks in my tower. Then we added one. Say, add one. Ding! Our set's getting bigger. Then there were 3. Do you remember that? 3 friends. And then we added another one. Say, add one. Bing! Now we have 4. Do you see our set getting bigger and bigger and bigger? And then we added one more. 5. Getting bigger, bigger, bigger. And after we had 5, we added one more. And then we had 6. 6 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in our little Quack books, we subtracted in the last story. And in this story, we added and made our set bigger and bigger and bigger. I hope you liked those stories, my friends. We're going to be reading a lot of books about springtime outside things, such as little baby animals or ducklings. Yeah. I forgot to introduce you, Mr. Teddy. I'm sorry, sweetie. Well, I forget sometimes. Yes, go ahead. Say hi. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. She forgot to tell you that I was even here. Mr. Teddy, I apologize. Would you like to say something special to your friends out there? Okay, go ahead. I added a new friend this week too. I added. You want to meet him? You want to meet him? Are you in there? Yes, Mr. Teddy, they're in there. Who is your new friend? Oh, look, he's so cute, Mr. Teddy. It's a teeny tiny mouse. Do you see him? This is your new friend. What's his name? Squeaky. Squeaky. Say hi to Squeaky. There, right there, Squeaky. That's the camera. Yes, that's the camera. Oh, okay. Well, all right. Before we say goodbye, guys, Mr. Teddy wants us to add using him. So let's do that. One friend plus one friend makes how many friends? 2. That's right. 2 friends. Good adding, Mr. Teddy. Okay, well, go play with Squeaky. What? He wants cheese. Well, like you. He likes cheese too. Okay.